Hello friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel. This channel is made to help you learn English easily. Here you will learn simple English words, questions, and daily speaking. If you are new here, please subscribe to the channel and like this video. Your support helps us make more videos. Let's start today's lesson.
Hello Isra. Good morning.
Hello Ahmad. Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine too. Are you going to school?
Yes, I'm going to school. What class are you in?
I'm in second class. What about you?
I'm in second class too.
Great. Where is the bus?
The bus is coming now. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.